Bonjour. French women are known for their effortlessly chic approach to beauty, often emphasizing natural elegance and subtle details, and the same goes about makeup. Have you ever wondering why French women look naturally beautiful without too much makeup? It seems that the world is obsessed about the French no makeup look, and they do have some secrets about makeup. If you don't know me, I'm Alice, I'm French and I live in Paris, and I opened this channel to teach women around the world about the French elegance, the Parisian chic, and the French lifestyle. And in this video, I will show you the 10 makeup rules every French woman swear by and everyone should learn once and for all to get this no makeup look so effortlessly chic. And the first makeup rules everyone should learn once and for all is makeup is skincare. French women are not fond of the heavy foundation, the heavy makeup. They don't like to look overdone with makeup, but they have a little secret that explain why they don't use and they don't need to use a lot of makeup, because they focus much more on skincare. And this is the big difference between French women and also the rest of the world. The most important thing for French women is really to take care of your skin. A flawless canvas starts with great skincare. And when your skin is naturally healthy, naturally beautiful, you don't need to use a lot of makeup. Focusing on skincare is the foundation of the French beauty philosophy. French women often view skincare as an essential daily ritual, and this is much more important than makeup. So that's why they invest in high-quality skincare, non-toxic, natural products. This is so important. A good cleanser, good hydrolat, for example. French women swear by hydration, nourishment, good glowing complexion using hydrating serums. Another secret you have to know is that the way to have good skin is not actually about skincare and what you are putting on your skin. It is also because of the inside-out principle, which is so important for French women. I learned from my French ma and my French grandma that good skin also comes from within, from what you are eating. That explains also why French women focus so much on the diet. Diet is also very important to have a healthy skin. And when you have a healthy skin, you don't need a lot of makeup. Another makeup rule of French women is not to rely on heavy foundation. French women master the art of looking they are not wearing makeup. We call that the no makeup look or the natural minimal makeup. And they are not fond of foundation. In fact, foundation is not that popular in France. Of course, you might meet some French women who love foundation, especially if you have a mature skin. Most of the time, you need something a little bit heavy, but foundation is not that popular on the average French women. Instead, they love to wear BB cream, CC cream, or even tinted serum that is super popular in France. Usually, foundation leaves your skin looking dull, unnatural, and they opt for something that is a little bit lighter, a little bit more natural. And as a French woman, I don't use any foundation at all. Instead, I love to use tinted serum. And this product from TYPOLOGY is one of the biggest coup de cœur of the year. I love this product. If you don't know TYPOLOGY, this is a French skincare brand created in Paris. They are vegan, cruelty-free. The products are formulated and manufactured in France. And as a French woman who love to use non-toxic natural ingredients, they use only minimal essential ingredients with over 80% of ingredients from natural origin. And this tinted serum from TYPOLOGY is my biggest coup de cœur of the year. This is one of my favorite products from the brand. This is a silicone-free, non-clogging tinted serum for light coverage and natural no makeup finish. It is formulated with vitamin C for radiance, squalane for nourishment and hydration, and also aloe vera to soften the skin. And what I love about this one, it provides natural coverage while also giving all the benefit of a skincare product. And what I love about this product is also the texture. It is not greasy at all, but extremely comfortable. It gives a natural glow. It is so radiant. If you are interested to know all the products I am using in this video to get this no makeup look, check below the video. I put all the references of the product I am using. And the next secret of a French woman makeup look is to use concealer. As I said, French women don't use any foundation, but if they need more coverage, they use the concealer. In fact, the secret of a no makeup look by the French woman is to use concealer. French women can't live without any good concealer. So to get the French no makeup look is to apply concealer sparingly to problem areas on your face. Apply the tiniest amount of concealer to problem areas under the eyes, for example, or elsewhere to cover blemishes or any pigmentation. Blend with your fingers. This is another secret of the French makeup look. French women always use their fingers. It looks much more natural than using any makeup tool. And to be honest with you, I cannot live without any good concealer, and this one also from TYPOLOGY is one of my favorite ones. This is a medium height coverage tinted concealer enriched with caffeine, niacinamide and cornflower hydrolate to reduce the appearance of dark circles and also puffiness. Niacinamide has anti-inflammatory properties that target imperfection, while cornflower hydrolate also activates the microcirculation and also decongest. And the next makeup rule French women swear by is to use soft blush for a healthy glow. Why French women don't use foundation? They love the blush. And you probably see a lot of French women, French actresses using blush. Blush is another secret weapon of French women to look very naturally beautiful. But to achieve this no makeup look that looks also cute and very healthy, you have to follow the French women rules. The first rule is to choose the right shade depending on your skin tone. For fair skin, go for a soft pink, peaches or light corals. For medium, olive or dark skin, go for something that is warmer, apricot, dusty roses or even mauve. And the second secret is to focus on application. Use your fingertips or soft blush brush and apply the blush to the apples of the cheeks and blend it upwards toward the temples to lift the face. Another rule of French women is to let the blush shine and natural. Keep your base light and natural. Avoid heavy contouring and pair it with a hint of highlighter for a subtle glow, but it should look very natural. As a French woman, I cannot live without this makeup rule, and I love to use blush. I love blush. Usually it brings something very healthy to my skin, a little bit of color on my fair skin. It is always much more natural than the heavy contouring of the heavy foundation. I do not contour, but I use blush. And I personally love this one, also slightly pink from Chanel. This is one of my favorite blush. And the next makeup rule of French women is to go for signature lipstick. Now we are coming to the key of the video and probably the key of the makeup rules French women swear by is the lipstick. Lipstick is such a French thing. My grandma used to wear lipstick every single day, and I do, as a French woman, cannot live without a signature lipstick. But we have a special, unique, and very specific way to apply lipstick that is very French. First, French women are not fond of a super shiny, glossy lipstick. They prefer something that has a slightly glossy finish, but forget something that is too unnatural, too shiny. This is not a French thing. And the second rule about lipstick, French women do not apply lipstick like the rest of the world. They have a special technique called la bouche mordue that you probably see all over social media. La bouche mordue, or just bitten lips, is a French technique for applying lipstick, and it is very, very unique. It gives something very much more natural, charming, and cute, exactly like you have bitten your lips. The secret is to go for a lip balm or something that does have a slightly glossy finish. Don't use any matte lipstick. and apply the lip balm or the lipstick with your fingers. This is the secret of French women. Don't apply your lipstick directly on your lips, and the perfect product to get la bouche mordue is to go for a lip balm or a tinted lip oil like this one from TYPOLOGY. I love this one. I love this product. It looks so beautiful and gives this fresh, natural effect. This is a tinted lip oil with a slightly glossy finish that nourishes the lips with a semi-tint color. Something I love about this product, they are using plum oil that deeply nourishes and also moisturizes my lips. I do have extra dry lips, especially during winter time. So I really appreciate the fact that I love the semi-glossy finish, and at the same time, it is non-sticky, non-greasy. This is really the secret of a non-makeup look, is to get something on your lips, brings a little bit of color actually, but it looks always natural. And lip balm, beautiful semi-glossy lipstick, or tinted oil like this product from TYPOLOGY is the perfect product to get this French makeup look. And the next makeup rule of French women is to apply a thin layer of mascara. French women do not like fake eyelashes, especially the long one. It looks very overwhelming, a little bit odd actually during the time. It is too much, way too much. Instead, they use mascara to give something very natural. Mascara is an essential part of a French woman's beauty, but it is applied with a focus on subtle definition rather than dramatic and overwhelming volume. They use mascara to enhance the eyes subtly, maintaining a polished yet effortless look that looks natural. Usually they choose mascara with fine bristles or lash combs, for example, to separate and define each lash for a soft and natural effect. The next makeup rule French women swear by is to go for low maintenance and natural brows. French women avoid overplucked or overly sculpted brows. They don't go also for fake brows. They prefer a natural shape, enhancing them lightly with a brow pencil or gel if needed. And the rule, usually French women generally keep their brows full, boyish, and never overly filled in. This is another difference if I have to compare to the States, for example. If you watch a lot of Instagram videos about makeup and American makeup, you will see that they often go for something that is very structural. They use also pencil, for example. French women love to keep everything as natural as possible. And the next makeup rule French women swear by is to go for subtle eye makeup. French women often stick to neutral or softly smudged eyeliner and mascara. Eyeshadow or heavy eyeliner is typically avoided for daily wear. French women often choose either their eyes or lips as the focus point. If they opt for bold lips, for example, eye makeup is kept very understated, very natural, with just a hint of mascara or light shadow. Everything is soft and well blended. They avoid harsh lines or over-the-top techniques, ensuring the makeup looks very natural and elegant. And the next makeup rule French women swear by is to embrace imperfections. So the French makeup or the French beauty is about enhancing what makes you you, rather than trying to fit a mold. Makeup is here to enhance your beauty, not to mask your natural flaws, not to mask your face. And this is one of the biggest differences if I have to compare American makeup and French makeup. American makeup, when I watch some videos on Instagram, for example, or even on YouTube, they really focus on something that is really perfect. Makeup is here to make you look perfect, to mask any natural flaws. For example, in America, they do cover freckles, these natural, beautiful freckles you have on your face. And in America, they use very heavy foundation to make sure that you have no pigmentation, no freckles, and everything looks so perfect. Don't forget that your beauty is unique and makeup is here to enhance your natural beauty. And don't forget that there is no makeup product that can replicate your beauty, okay? Beauty is different, beauty is unique. So to end this video, I will tell you the secret of the perfect French no makeup look. The French no makeup look is all about enhancing natural beauty with minimal effort. French women are slightly lazy, they don't want to spend too much effort or too much time in the bathroom using makeup. They want to look elegant, chic, fresh, with the illusion of the barely there makeup. It's all about being effortlessly chic even with makeup. So to achieve this perfect no makeup look, use a light BB cream or a light tint serum. Don't forget the blush, a little bit of mascara, some concealer just to cover a little bit of imperfections. And also go for a beautiful lipstick or la bouche mordue, and you will get this perfect French no makeup look. That's it for today. I hope you love this video as much as I do. I love the French makeup. In fact, I don't use a lot of makeup, but I do believe that we need a little bit of makeup here and here to enhance your natural beauty. If you are interested to know about my makeup routine, my beauty routine, because I do get a lot of questions about the product I am using as a French woman, don't forget to check below the video. Don't forget also to follow me on my social media. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, where I post a little bit of my life in Paris. Let me know of what you think about this video, and I see you very soon for another one. Bye.